So I'm logging in right now. I'm going to show you my year-to-date profit and loss on this account, and then just break down some things from this journey I've had this year, right? So as we kind of jump in here, you guys can see it's a real TD Ameritrade account. For anyone that does have TOS, you can see not paper trading. It's a real account. There's an account number, everything up here as well. So with that being said, let's go into the year-to-date. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this privacy aspect off. You guys can see same account number. I'm going to leave the account number up there. I know some people are like, oh no, your account number is showing, but after today, I'm going to be closing this account, taking all the money out by the time the video is uploaded. But it's just to showcase, hey, every video I posted was with the same account number, which is mine. Now, going into my year-to-date P&L, as you guys can see right here, I'm up about $2,065,000. This is how much cash I have in this account. I have taken cash out for personal expenses, for taxes, for investments, and things like that. But my year to date, basically this whole year from January 1st till today, I'm up a little over $2 million. Now, like I said, for the people that have been with me this whole journey for this year and prior, they understand this journey. They understand that me being up 2 million is not about me being up 2 million. And I'm not here to kind of brag about, look how much money I made. It's more so the journey I've had. And for people that have been following me, you remember in February I had a big month of $1 million. Then March, April, May, June, I started taking big hits. I shorted the market. I lost $500,000. Then I tried to short Zillow at a certain time. I got hit with that. Then I tried to short Tesla, right? Tesla, and I lost money on that. And it was just a spiral effect of one bad trade that I took, which was shorting the market. And I was up on that trade at a certain point, but I kept averaging down, kept averaging down, kept averaging down. And that really hurt my account to a point where I think midway half of this year, I was like, I really lost a lot of confidence as a trader because, you lose a ton of money. And especially when it's on YouTube, it's on social media, and people see it because I was transparent about it. I'm not just coming out and saying, "Hey, look, I lost $500,000 on a trade," and I know it was a dumb trade. It was wrong. I get that. I understand. So for people that are gonna go comment and say, "Oh, that was a terrible trade," I get it. Didn't work out. Oversized. Took too much of a position. Got very confident after coming off a big month. But those are the lessons I've learned. So, me closing this year off with a little over 2 million in profits is, to me, very, very, it's a big accomplishment, not because of the money aspect, but I think because of the struggle that I went through after taking that loss. Because for anyone that trades understands how much, losing money, especially a large sum of money, especially in front of people, hurts. And it's the idea of being wrong. Like, oh man, he said short the market. I shorted the market with him. I lost money. He's not that good. It starts getting to you and it starts destroying your confidence. And that's what happened to me at a certain point. And, you start digging yourself a deeper hole. And in trading, once you start going in that spiral of bad trade after bad trade, I know so many people that blow their accounts. They'll make $1 million, $2 million, $3 million. And once that, bad streak comes, they'll blow that money and some more. So that's why I'm more happy and I'm proud of this year because I stayed alive and I stayed alive and I was able to accumulate some profits. Now, the second question some people have is, okay, how much did you start this account with? Once again, if you go back on my Instagram, in the beginning of the year, I started this account with $200,000. And yeah, some people may say, well, not everyone has 200K to play with. Well, I'm not going to start with 200K. Guys, it's not about 200K. It's about the percentage aspect. And if you look at 200K on a percentage aspect, that's about 10xing your money, right, from what you started with. And obviously, it's not compounding. I see so much stuff on YouTube. Oh, well, if you're making, 1,000% on a yearly basis and you compound it, you'll be a billionaire in 2 years. No, as traders, it's a business. You make money, you take money out, you put some away for taxes, you make money, you take some money. I'm not compounding. It doesn't work like that. It doesn't work like that because I'm taking certain positions where liquidity becomes an issue, especially when I'm taking option trades, right? I can't go into an option trade tomorrow and buy $2 million worth of open naked calls on Amazon. Like it's just not realistic. You know what I mean? So, when I see stuff like that, it's pretty annoying because it's like, yes, making 1,000%. I know from some perspectives, oh my God, that's impossible. Yeah, if you have $100 billion, it's impossible. But I think when you're starting with less money, And 200K, trust me, is not a lot of money in the market. I know people this year that started with 10K and they're at 100K. I know people that started with 20K and they're at 500K, you know? And yes, these trades and these account grows require extreme amounts of risk, right? But based on your personality and trading style, it can align, right? So don't get thrown off by that. And I know this video is going to get some negativity with people saying stuff. Oh, well, 200K, well, it's not possible. Oh, well, he got lucky. I mean, I've been trading for 8 years and I've had about 6 to 5.5 years of continuous success. And like I said, you go through my Instagram, I have been posting all those things. I'm just getting active on YouTube. And like I said, quarterly updates will be coming. March 31st, I'll do an update. End of June, I'll do an update on my performance and whatnot. But this video is more so, like I said, for the transparency aspect. And then second, to kind of talk to all the new traders that have got into trading this year, because I know so many people that have never traded before, they started trading this year because of obviously the pandemic and, you know, staying at home and whatnot. And I want to point out a few things coming from someone that has been trading for about 7-8 years, right?